Well, I usually don't do this type of thing, but it's No Rust November, and I figured I'd jump on the bandwagon here and showcase a real crappy Craftsman 3/8 ratchet. Everything's seized on it. I know it's a Craftsman, but you surely cannot read anything on this. This is legit rust, man. I got this wrench in a tool lot, and I don't know. There's no chrome left on it, so I don't know how well this is going to clean up. It probably won't clean up well at all, and I'll never do another one of these No Rust Novembers again because of this. So let's just give it a shot. Let's see what happens here. I think what I want to do is throw it on the wire wheel first to get the lumps, bumps, and nastiness off. And yeah, I just want to get the bulk of the scale off this. I can't tell if it's a V series. I can't tell anything. I mean, this thing is completely toasted. So let's just see. Yeah, it did absolutely nothing. Nice, right? Now this is legit rust, guys. I don't know, whoever owned this before, I don't know what the hell they did to it, but yeah, it's not looking good for us. Well, let's see what the big wheel will do. Nothing. Nothing at all. Still horrible. Hey, it's a You Wanna Watch video with an obnoxious dog. So what I was gonna do was time lapse this and put that there so everybody knows what I'm using. I was going to time lapse this, but you guys have seen 1,000 videos of people time lapsing stuff in vinegar, so I'm not going to do it. You guys know what the result's going to be. Hopefully rust will come off it. Hopefully I can bring it down to bare metal, and then I'll throw it back on the wire wheel. We'll see what happens. All right. I think I'm going to do a little product test. You know those commercials that pop up on, I don't know, Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that? Well, I saw this stuff to where this guy, he paints a heart on like a piece of corrugated steel, diamond plate steel, something of that nature. So I bought it. It cost me like 20 bucks. And this little tiny canister comes out. It's called Ray Hong's water-based metal paint. So basically what this stuff does, it turns rust into black metal, is from what the commercial showed me. I don't know. So we're gonna try it, see what happens, and you know, if I like it, I might use it on a vise. If not, then I don't know. Then it's just 20 bucks that I just pissed away, so doesn't really matter, right? All right, guys, we are gonna let this thing do its thing. All right, guys, we're back. I pulled it out of the vinegar, and it, you know, it did what vinegar does. It cleaned it up just a little bit for me, and well, it's not good enough. So I think what we're gonna do is probably throw this on the combination sander. I've got a used 120 grit belt on here, and I just want to clean this up a little bit to get it looking a little nicer, and then I think we will go from there and see how she performs. Alright, let's get at it. Ooh, this thing is gnarled. I think it's a little bit cleaner. A little bit cleaner. We're getting there. I think we're going to finish out the rest of this with some hand sanding. Alright guys, so I got some 120 here. And all I want to do is give it a one-time over here. Give it a pretty good little sanding. I'm not trying to get this thing perfect because this is far from perfect. You guys saw how nasty it was when I first started. There's no chrome left on this at all. I'm going to spray this down with brake cleaner after I'm done. And I guess we'll go from there. We'll start brushing that stuff on. See how that works. Alright, get up with you guys in a minute. Alright. So we've got this sanded. I cleaned it off with some brake parts cleaner. And it's still pretty raggedy, as you guys can plainly see. Looks like shite. So I'm going to try this product. Like I said, it's Ray Hong's water-based metallic paint. I have no idea. It was one of those commercials that just popped up on either Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or something. I thought I was getting a pint, but this little tiny can came in the mail, and this is what I got, I guess. Well, I tell you what, it's well sealed. Can't get the damn cellophane off this thing. I don't have any fingernails. Nikes. Shit. So I don't know what this stuff's gonna do. Doesn't smell toxic. Kind of smells like mud. I read the directions. Happens to be none. So I'm gonna shake it. I don't know if you're supposed to, but yeah, it literally smells like chalk paint. Kind of odd, but whatever. Well, like I said, I don't know what this stuff's going to do, but I'm going to let it sit right here and hopefully dry. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's doing anything right now, but just got it leaning up there. Now watch me have gotten suckered. Just like I got suckered on that stupid Mighty Putty. Damn infomercial. Well guys, I came back to you after about an hour. That stuff sat on there that long. It semi-dried up, it got a little bit tacky, and well, this is the result. I have no idea what the hell it was supposed to do, but it didn't do it. Maybe it was supposed to make the rust turn darker, because that's apparently what happened. Yeah, so not only did Mighty Putty get me, but this crap got me too. So that's $20 I'll never get back. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, because this No Rust November is not turning out too damn good now, is it? Alright, well, I guess I'll take it to the buffer. I don't know. Well, here's a wrench. I mean, it's a little shinier. No Rust November, my ass. Oh god. Let me get some brake parts cleaner, clean that off. Oh, too many vices sitting around on the floor. There we go, all the compounds off it now. Well, this is my sad attempt at No Rust November. Hope you guys enjoyed it. She works good. You can barely see. I mean, just barely see Craftsman on there. Well, I think I'm going to put right here a picture of the before, and here's your after. So before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. I don't know. I'll see what the editing department can do here. Alright guys, like always, stay safe, be safe, and I don't know. I might try something else for this No Rust November. Alright guys, later.